does pretty well as long as I don't overdrive it. My name is Matt Kenner here at the 10th Anniversary LS Fest. It is a 68 C10, step side obviously. It's got a LS1 from an 02 Camaro, but it's got a set of 10 over forged pistons, AFR heads, custom built cam, Holley EFI system, pushing 530 horse, 475 torque. It does pretty well as long as I don't overdrive it. I bought the truck in May of 2000. I bought it in Knoxville, Tennessee, and bought it with a 6-cylinder, 3-speed on the column, black with a bright red interior, almost orange interior. It was pretty bad, but drove the truck that way for about a year, the daily driver, and then after about a year, I pulled the 6-cylinder out, put just a stock 350 in, and drove it with 350 in it for a while. And then in 2012, blew up the engine. So I said, well, I got to do something. Might as well go LS. And I found this LS1. I found it off a guy for $1,000. So 40,000 mile original engine. So I said, yeah, I got to jump on that. So yeah, I put the LS1 in it. Put a 7. At the time, I carbureted it. Just kind of tried to go clean and simple with it. Put a carburetor in it, 700 R4 transmission, and just drove it for a while, then started autocross, and I said, this is where it's at. So I'm from East Tennessee, and we have a lot of nice curvy back roads, so spirited curving driving, you know, that's where it's at. So kind of used to it, kind of my thing, you know, the straight line stuff. I did it for a while, and it was pretty fun, but once I hit my first autocross, I was like, that's where it's at. You know, this is what I want to do. This is the stuff. So yeah, that's where I've geared. That's where I went with it. So. If we stop working on them, there's a problem. So. But no, it's yeah, finally got it to where it's pretty dependable, pretty easy to drive. It's got the factory ECM, but it's got some Holley EFI components on it. It's got single plane intake with the fuel rails, 4150 throttle body. I'll probably look into changing to the Holley ECM, probably the Dominator. I carbureted it before, and I love the way it looked carbureted, so if I'm going to go EFI, I might as well keep the same look and keep the old school look, just update it. So definitely better throttle response, seems to hold the RPMs out a little bit better. So. Unfortunately, had to miss out. I didn't get to do the drag racing part last year, and in the process with the weather and a lot of stuff going on, I missed the speed stop challenge as well. So as long as Hurricane Dorian stays away, we should have everything covered. So.